we see, so there are 4 questions based on this piece of information, this piece of data set, basically the line graph. So pause the video and attempt one by one as we go and solve. Hope you have passed and tried this question. The question is saying the demand of company B is what percentage of the production of company. Okay, let me first talk about the graph. So I see the graph shows the demand and production of different companies. So there are companies like A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So take this as the title of the graph. The graph shows the demand and production of different companies. So x-axis is companies. I see A, B, C, D, E, F, right? And then units, lakh tons is the y-axis. So 1000, 2000, 3000, so on, so on. So I see two variables, production and demand. For production, it is square block. So for A, the square block is this. What is this value? 1450. So the production of units for company A is 1450. What about the demand? This blue diamond, so that is 2100, right? That's how I'll read. For B, it's 3150 is the demand, 3660 is the production, etc., etc. So the demand for company B is what percentage? I don't know. I'll take it as X percentage of the production of company F. What is the demand of company B? Company B, the demand is blue diamond, 3150. So demand of company B, that's 3150, is equals to what percentage? I'm answering it with X percentage of production of company F. What is the production of company F? Orange block F. This is this 4500, right? So 3150 is X by 100 into 4500. So 3150 into 100 by 4500. You see, here, once I see the options, they're pretty far off, 60, 70, 80, 50. Now my approximation will definitely work, right? See this? What is 45 sevens there? Oh, it's like absolutely 315. So you'll get 70. 70% is the answer for this. Right? Let's say you didn't know this, okay? What is 3150 by 40? It will be closer to 80. But I have 45, so it should be less than 80. Right? What is 3150 by 50? That's closer to 60. So I understand it should be between them, it will give me 70%. Somehow, whatever the way works for you, if you can calculate and understand 45, 7, 315. But here the options are set in such a way that I can approximate and get the right answer in quicker and faster manner. So let's look at the second question. So it's talking about what is the difference between the average demand and the average production of the companies in lakh tons. You see, already the units are in lakh tons. So it's talking about average demand minus average production. So you see, if I'm talking about what is average demand, company A plus B plus C and so on up to F by 6, right? Similarly, that's the demand for each company. Production is also same. I have to just add up A plus B and so on up to F by 6. What I need to understand is this: when I subtract average demand from average production, I am fundamentally doing this. The demand of company A plus so on up to demand of company F by 6 minus the production of company A, production of company F by 6. So I'll can get to in base by 6. So it will be demand of company A minus production of company A plus demand of company B minus production of company B, and so on. So if I can actually do an individual calculation and then sum it up by and divide by 6, that should give me faster than finding the individual averages, because I need to sum up 6, divide by 6 to find the average demand. Similarly, do the 6 sum up, get the average production and then subtract it, versus just do the individual subtractions for 6, right, and then add them and divide by 6, which is easier, especially considering the way the numbers are. So let me see that the way I'm doing is this: I am taking always the product demand minus production, that is blue minus orange. 2100 minus 1450 is plus 650, right? 3660, see here the orange is on the top, that is, so the demand minus production is 3150 minus 3660, so it should be minus 510. Here again orange is on top of blue, that is production is more than the demand, so it will be minus 500. 5000, 4200, here the demand is now more than this, so it is plus 800. Here again the production is more, so it is minus 900. Again the production is more, it is minus 1200. So 650 plus 1800, 800 is 1450. 510 plus 500 minus 1010, this is 2100. So 2100 plus 3150 is the sum of all the minuses. So this will turn out to be approximately 1450 minus 3. So I have to also divide by 6, right, as I said, because finally it is by 6. So 1450 31 is 1700 by 6. So 6 2s are 12, and then I will have 50, 6 7s are 42. Right, and this will be this. Oh, sorry. Right, 6 2s are 12. So 50, 6 7s are 42. So 6 8s are 48, and then so it will be approximately 283 or something. So actually this is 1450 minus 3110. 2100, 2600 plus 510 is 3110. So this will turn out to be 1660 by 6, right? So 6 2s are 12, and then I'll have 46. So 6 7s are 42, and then I'll have 30. Sorry, 40. So that will be approximately 6 7s are 36, 6 are 36. So it's 276. So this will be the correct answer. I think this is because maybe there's an issue with this data. It should be 3550. Could be just my assumption, because it will give me 500, then everything will fall in the right place. So anyways, the answer is 275. The way to do is this. So right, 510 plus 500 is 1010, 1910, 3110. This is 1450. I subtract, I'll get 1660. If it was 36650, then it would have been 500. It would have been 3100. It would have been 1650. That would give me exactly 275. Right, but anyway, that's how we solve it. That is the important thing that we need to know. The production of company A is approximately what percent of the demand of product of company C? So production of company A, what is the production of company A? That's orange block. Company A is 1450. That is equals to what percent? I don't know. I'm taking it as X percentage of demand of company C. Company C demand is, what is the demand? Blue diamond, 2600. So 1450 by 2600 into 100 is X. So I just need to approximate this, right? If you see the options, I think they're fairly far enough for me to clearly have this. So what is 26 If you see this as 6 6 are 36, so it's 156. So that's basically less than 60. Is it? What about 26 5s are? 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 130. So obviously it should be more than this and between this, so it should be 55% for me. Right, let me show 26 55. So it will be 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 130, 130. Right, so 0 3 1 4 3 0. Approximately it is 55%, right? 1450, I got 1430, but as I said, fairly that's good enough for me to mark the answer once I know that it's between 50 to 60. What is the ratio of the companies having more demand than the production to those having more production than demand? Ratio of the companies having more demand than production. This is one quantity. To those having more production than demand. So basically I need to find out how many companies have more demand than production out of these 6. A, demand is more. Yes. No. This is having more production, more demand, more production. So I have 2 companies which have more demand than production. 2, the remaining 4 will be having more production than demand. So it is 2:4. The answer is 1:2. Right, that's how we solve this.